Well, folks, here we go. November 7th, first snow of the year. November 7th, 2019, and we have snow. I don't see any deer out. They're probably out there moving somewhere. Yesterday I had my chemotherapy treatment. I don't feel too good today. I'm a little sick. That's why I'm going to go back in the house. Holy moly. I'm a little dizzy, folks. Sorry for the camera moving so much. Don't feel very good today. I hope that everybody's having a good day. I'm having a hard day. I got some news today that didn't make me very happy, and other things that are going on that I'll try to catch you up on later on. As you all know, my eco-diesel burned up, and we found out today that we might have trouble with the insurance company now. So I hope that's not the case. So I hope they settle pretty soon, but they said that they're trying to go after Chrysler. So that's not a very good thing either. So I don't know how long we're going to have to wait for that to go through. But that's my problem, not yours. I'm shooting off my mouth and I'm just telling you how my day is going. I think I'm going to stay in the house today and just sit around and do absolutely nothing. Take a day for myself and reflect on what's going on in my life. And I'll try to give you guys an update on how I'm feeling later on today with the rituximab chemotherapy treatments that I've been going through every 3 months, probably for the rest of my life, they telling me. So that's always fun. So thanks a lot for watching. Louie out. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how you like my videos, if you do or not. Sorry it's a little dark in here, but I'm gonna sit on my chair and just relax. Thanks a lot for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some love or some hate. And that's it. Louie out.